already know what it is. On TV in the building. Man, make sure y'all hit that subscribe button, you know what I'm saying? Help a nigga out, you know what I mean? Trying to reach like 1,000 followers, 1,000 subscribers right now, you know what I'm saying? Got another one for y'all. Glock breaks up, busting up Dolphs cars in the driveway or the parking lot or whatever you call it. You know what I'm saying? Shit, you about to get right into it, man. Shit crazy. That's crazy, bro. Now he about to bust up another one. That's it. Dog. Yo, that song crank mode. What the fuck? It's supposed to be Dolph and Glock on the jump, bro. That jump crank like shit, bro. Like, what the fuck? Oh shit, he about to hit another one?
Yeah, drop it out. Boy, they have to spend some money fucking with me.
They keep running that jump back. They funny as shit.
I'm gonna make dollars spend some money.
Yo, this is crazy, bro. What the fuck is going on, bro? Is that why they beefing? Is that why they beefing? Cause he want the song drop? Like, bruh, come on, no, you can't be that mad. You about to, this gotta be fake. This gotta be this. But he's recording himself through this shit, so it's like, I don't know, bruh. It can't be a situation where he like, oh, he trying to get the insurance company to pay for the cars or something. Like, it wouldn't make nothing. None of that would make sense. This nigga just really wildin' right now. Like, this nigga is really wildin'. Like, look at the comments.
I fuck with my own
said I fucks with him. I ain't gonna smack. He ain't gonna fuck that joint up. But the old bitches or something like the old cars or some shit, he gonna fuck them joints up. Like I don't know, bro. I'm confused, bro. I don't get it, bro. I don't understand what's going on. Is it because they got money they could just do whatever, like they don't give a fuck what, like it don't matter? Like is it that? Like what the fuck, bro? Like are they just being funny right now? Like they trying to get, is this like an attention grab? Is this something to boost like streams if the song actually does get released? Like shit crazy. He was talking about in the comments, you're not gonna do it. Bet you gonna do it.
How much money you got in your cash out? How much you want to bet? How much money you got in your cash out? How much money you got in your cash out? Still up. I just off the bullshit. You drop this damn song, fuck that.
Yeah, it's definitely about the song.
Loud it up.
They keep running the back.
Loud it up.
Hey, the Joe do crank though. Yo, he wanna smash the shit out that jump. He keep tapping the window. That shit'll get me good. That was my car. I mean, I could have been good. You might as well, you done smash all the other cars. It's like, what the fuck?
How much money want to bet?
Where the fuck is Dolph doing all this shit? Like, he not on live seeing this shit? Like, what the fuck? Where the fuck is he at? This shit crazy.
The dog called.
Oh, he said Dolph called. Shit. Man, I don't know what to say about that situation, man. That shit crazy. Man, I fuck with both of their music, man. I think they a good combo, nice little duo team, what have you. I hope whatever, issues, what I'm saying, they have the result. It's over one song, and that's wild. Uzi was going through shit with his label, DJ Drama, and then before he got over to Jay-Z and them. And Uzi has tons of unreleased, music, bro. Like, not even a game. It's not a game. He got, endless unreleased music, bro, that still ain't been released to this day. And I don't see it for real reasons. Like, if he not holding any money from you, and even with Uzi, the money situation, I believe he had $4 million in stream revenue and only got 900K. Don't quote me on that, but that's what I mean, if I remember correctly, he only got 900K out of 4 million. You know what I'm saying? Not even a milli. You know what I'm saying? Out his money. So if it ain't even about if it ain't millions, if it ain't millions, I said millions. If it ain't money, if it's really not a money issue, and it's just a song issue, a music issue, I can understand you using the studio. He's Dolph's artist, and I can understand that situation where as though he want to do shit as he please. That's a song they both on together. You know what I'm saying? So it's I don't know, man. It's a tweaking ass moment. I feel like Glock is having, but y'all let me know what y'all feel.